In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of recovering your Chase online account and resetting your Chase Bank online banking password. If you've forgotten your password or having trouble accessing your account, this guide is here to help. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Chase Bank website as chase.com. On the home page, you'll see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on Now you'll be directed to the sign in page. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot User Password link just below the login fields. Now you'll be on the password recovery page. Here you'll need to enter some information to verify your identity. Start by entering your Chase username or your card number. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Chase will ask you to provide some information such as your social security number or tax ID or your birth date and a possibly verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Follow the instructions provided, enter the required details accurately and submit. Once verified, you'll receive a link or instruction on how to reset your password. If you receive a password reset link via email, click on it. And you'll be directed to the password reset page. Create a new password, make sure it's strong and secure. Confirm the new password and submit. Once you've successfully reset your password, you'll be logged into your Chase online account with the new credentials. And there you have it. You're now logged in and ready to manage your Chase account online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.